for the Senet admin panel. So to access that, you need to go to this Harrison Parks and Rec.admin.ens.tech. And this should prompt you a login screen before. I didn't clear the cache before this, so it has my credentials saved, but you'll have a login first and it'll bring you to this page. And to start, I want to go over how to manage the computers. So this will be the screen that will allow you to monitor what everybody's doing in the room. So currently 2 through 13 have Senet installed on them. 1 is our temporary admin computer, and these are all consoles. They are useless. So 14 through 20, ignore. It will be 1 through 13 will be what you'll be focusing on. There's indicators on the right here that tell you what each of the colors represent. As you can see, 5 and 11 are both in support. That's because the company is working on those. And right now, I want to show you what each of these functions do. So to access this little taskbar, you need to select a computer. Right now, I'm just going to use 2 for an example. And you can do a lot of things. And if you hover over the icon, it'll tell you. So you can power it off, restart it, open Task Manager to see what the computer's running. Right now, this one is off, so it's not going to be running anything important. And then you can log them in. You can log them in as a technical user, which is what's being done here. You can set it as maintenance, which just means this little gray dot will show up on it, and it doesn't actually affect anything. This, you can just start a session if they're using their own account. This, upload another file, start updates, and session history. So let's say we want to use a login user. So to log in a user, you can log it in with a receipt, which I'll show you later, or log in with a regular client. So I've created usernames. Again, I'll show how to do that. So say I want to log in with Harrison Park 02 and put in the password and sign in. So this computer, as you can see, is now signed in as a general account. And the icons change. So now these users can be remoted into, which I'm currently signed into the domain, and our domain restricts access to Senet remotely. So we can't access it. It will give you connection failed. So later I'll show you what it will look like to access something remotely. But say you want to tell them, hey, what you're doing, you better quit it. Send them a warning. And when I show you later, it'll prompt them a message saying, hey, either your time's almost up or you're doing something wrong. You need to quit it. Same thing with the notification. You can just tell them here, warning from admin, or come to admin, please. Those are the given prompts. And then you can lock their workstation if they're doing something wrong, or completely stop what they're doing. Even if they've logged in, you can come here and you can stop it. I can come right here. Well, this is a little bit different, but you can restart these computers, power them off, and there we go. That's okay. Another thing, you have to deselect this one before you can do the things with this one. So I could stop the session here.